let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it.
Welcome to today's video. We are on our way to a restaurant. We've just been randomly walking about in a nice park. We're absolutely starving, and we've just googled a place, and it's came up. We would like to look at it. So, no expectations. It's quite dark in here right now, but we're going to cut back when we get to the restaurant and show you what it's all about. Guys, we have got out and we are getting out of the taxi into the place that we're going to eat.
Alright,
This is it, right there, the back right there. We're just paying for the taxi ride.
So, what I wanted to say was, although it door closed a bit short, as you can see here, yes, it is just free, and it's probably better for Zakaria because he's not going to get his nose running as he has been doing in the past because of all the pollution and all the big traffic as you can see over there because of the allergies.
Yeah.
But it does get hot inside there, doesn't it?
It does get hot
You don't
inside,
get any of the like fresh air or anything like that. So here we are, guys. We are going into Tabak right now.
What is
I'm excited. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
And let's go and have some grilled chicken. You going in?
Let's go and have some grilled chicken.
Oh yeah.
So it does look actually proper sit down area. Let's go inside. Let's sit over here in the corner. Nice and tucked away. Nadia's going to sit down. Lovely.
I think I'm going to sit down. Am I going to stand up?
I think you're going to stand up, mate.
I'm getting in the corner over here now.
Yeah. I'll put my bag here as well. Oh,
Right, I'm going to feed him now because this is feeding time.
Right.
So we'll have a quick look at the menu, which is arrived right now. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I think I know what I want. I think I want some grilled chicken, some salad, some fresh salad.
Oh yeah.
We've even got chicken Thai soup here. You want some?
Ooh, let's try that.
What sort of cuisine is this? I chose the restaurant, by the way, guys.
You know what? I just typed in barbecue chicken and this came up as the top rated, so we did that. It wasn't far. So I think what we're going to do is have a look at the menu. We're going to feed that little one as well, and then cut back to when we have ordered, or maybe even when the food arrives. Yeah?
Yeah, sounds like a plan, Lan.
Oh, look at that. And then we have some chops on the sizzling palette. Then we've got some salad.
Oh my god, guys, I wish you could only if you could smell this food right now. The lamb chops smell delicious.
They do indeed. And then we've got some chips which we tucked into earlier. Not it?
And that's me saying I'm going to eat healthy now. But I got a salad.
Yeah. And then we've got a nice naan, a bit of raita, and a bit of sauce there as well. Shukriya. Thank you. Thank you. This is basically their famous steamed chicken that we got here, which is the speciality of this place. It's meant to be really, really good. This is it's like a special naan with sesame seeds on top of it. Yeah, it's very, very, very delicious. So, shall we give it a try?
Yeah.
We'll give it a little taste test and see what happens. Right. So, you are going in with the chicken.
First with the chicken, guys. It's just like on a day when your sister or your mum makes chicken for you, it's like that when it's raw chicken. So, I'm going to try it without the yogurt first and see
Give
what
it a
it
go.
tastes like.
Yeah.
Nice, amazing.
That tasty.
Like amazing. It's just like what you'd have on a day.
Oh, nice.
Like
Now with a
with
bit of
yogurt.
raita.
With yogurt. And cheese is even better, mate. Oh my god, that's so good.
Nice,
That is good.
nice. Is that good, man?
That's good, man.
Right, so I'm gonna go in with a bit of chicken breast piece. Ooh, it's nice and soft.
Yeah.
Wow, like proper soft. Doesn't even look dry. So
It doesn't even not dry, it's juicy. It's so juicy, man. You've got to try it with the yogurt. It's all about the yogurt, mate.
you can tell. I forgot to say Bismillah, but Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah. That is juicy. That is nice and juicy. It's not even dry at all. Let's go in with a bit of sauce. Right, you can't go wrong with a bit of mint sauce. Mint raita. So I've got a small piece here. Mint raita, nice. We've got a fresh lime Sprite here. We're gonna take this down nicely. I'm gonna have the nice bit of chicken wing.
Chicken wing, chicken and bologna.
I knew that was coming. That is good. That is really, really good chicken. I have to give it that. You know what? Skin's off as well. Brilliante. I like it. I would give that.
I'm gonna go in with a lamb chop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go for the bone piece. Just look at that.
Nice thick piece, man.
Steam is coming off it. It's still very hot. I'm just picking up sizzling plate. Oh, and even the bone is very hot still.
Go for it, go for it, go for it.
Do it for you, lad.
Bismillah. Oh yeah.
That's good, man.
That is good. When you approve the lamb chops, you know they're good.
Guys, honestly, these lamb chops are TDF, to die for. I'm just like literally munched it all up now. Whoa. Oh, it's so soft, succulent, juicy. I love it.
I am going to give lamb chops on the bone a try as well.
So good, isn't it? Guys, I know that we say everything is so good all the time, but seriously, winner chicken dinner, this.
I mean, and this is the problem as well, that every single place that we've been to actually has been really, really good food. I don't think there's been a place anywhere where the food's been a disappointment. So the reactions we're giving are honest, and if we do find a food place that we don't like, we will definitely tell you, because we don't want you to go there as well. Or we wouldn't recommend a place that we wouldn't go again ourselves. Lamb chops, mate. Delicious. Right. Look at those. Nice and soft and juicy and juicy and soft.
I'm going in again with the lamb chops. I think the lamb chops are my favourite. Even though in this place of chicken it must be the most famous thing, these lamb chops, oh my god.
Food to die for. So we're going to enjoy the rest of the food, and we'll cut back when we are about to pay and leaving. See you in a bit.
Now if you're watching, these roast chickens are TDF and they taste just like yours. I need that make yummy. So guys, that was delicious. You know what? I'm still a little bit hungry. I could have had more lamb chops.
You know what? This is a very, very good find, but the bill came to 3,380, which, and I always do this, I should know how much rupees are now, but I'm going to quickly calculate it. 3380. 3380 divided by 235, 14 pounds. Not bad. 14 quid, and actually that's slightly pricier than what we'd expect, but it's a restaurant and it's the lamb chops that cost a lot. The lamb chops were 2,200 on their own, so if you take them out just like the chicken, it would have been literally half the price. But anyway, I'm gonna pay and cut back when we're moving out. We are walking home now, and there are bikes everywhere, there are cars everywhere. Look how mad it is right now. There is so much going on right now. We had a lovely, lovely dinner, right? And we're gonna end the vlog here, yeah?
Yeah, guys, that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and
press that bell icon to be notified when we upload our next video.
you look screaming and out loud, so follow your vision.
We'll see you on the next one.